Hey, no, it's not a podcast. It's a video on how to repair your Link action figure. So go out there and break your Link so you can do this. No, don't do that. I was searching on YouTube for some kind of tutorial, but I couldn't find anything useful, so I decided to record my own repair. I hope it's useful to some, and well, here you go. So, this is my problem here. I dropped my Link figure and it dropped like this, and its lower leg broke off, and I tried gluing it with some apparently very strong glue, but it didn't stay fixed. It just kept on breaking off. So what I figured I'd do was use a piece of metal to fortify it. So I melted in 2 holes, as you can see. If I can get that focused, well, whatever. And here's how I did that, by the way. Just heat up a needle and burn a hole. It's easy. And then it would be strong again. There's just one problem. You see, inside the knee you have like 2 discs, and like the right half and the left half, and one of them can rotate, but the other one is fixed. So they like on this one, they slide past each other. One rotates, the other one doesn't. I didn't know that, so I melted the hole in both discs. So by the time I figured out, by the time I wanted to try twisting it, rotating the knee, it was fixed. So even though it looks like the whole thing can rotate, that's just not true. So I will end up with a Link that cannot bend his right knee anymore. But it's better than a broken knee, right? Okay, let me grab the thingy. What I will use is a piece of metal that has like a thread around it. It grooves, and you should probably be able to buy this. Maybe you don't even need it, like the thread on it, but it definitely helps. I didn't buy this. I broke this off a spoke of a bicycle wheel. The end has a little threaded piece. So what I'll do is actually, let me do it right now. And I'm going to put in some extra glue only in the knee part, because whoa, it's messy. So I think that's the part that I don't ever want it to be loose again. But if I ever want to remove his leg, I want to keep the option, so I'm not going to glue the other part. Okay, I will use this end here. I need something else for this, one moment. Now I have to stress that I'm not a professional, not at all. I've never done something like this before. Well, I'm not sure about that. I may have fixed some stuff when I was younger. Never official action figures. So it's pretty deep inside his knee now. I'm not sure how deep it goes exactly. Give it a few more spins. Right now I'm thinking maybe it's not even going in deeper. But it's got some glue in there, so it won't ever come loose again. unless I wanted to. There. Let me see if there's any glue that I need to remove before I start the inserting the like. Okay, so there you got it. Actually, let me take some pictures of this. It looks funny. Okay, I took some pictures. Now let's continue the reparations. Reparations, yeah, I think so. So this is the easy part, I guess. Not exactly sure if I should leave it here or try one more turn. Yeah, that should be good. There! I repaired Figma Link figure. Now look, it doesn't bend. It's fixed now. This one bends because it's not broken. This one, no can do. But yeah, should be fine. Now I have no idea of if this was the best way to fix it. Perhaps I could have made a hole in just the rotating disc, and then it could still bend. I'm not sure. I guess this is not bad. Oh, yay! That's pretty much it.